Hello friends, subscribe my channel IDP examination based question writing task 2. In the past, lectures were used as the way of the teaching large number of the students, but now with the development of the technology for the education, many people think there is no justification for attending the lectures. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Let's start. A few decades ago, lessons were used to educate in the class with numerous alumni. However, at the present time, with the improvement of the technology for teaching, a lot of the people believe that they do not have to participate in the amphitheatres anymore. From my point of view, I partially disagree that people think learning through the digital platform is better than the attending class for the some reason below. To begin with, receiving knowledge from the professor who teach in the classroom is still classic and effective method to study at university. When joining class, student can collect the plenty of the experience from the lecturer of the professor. For example, alums can ask as many questions as they want to have a deep feeling about lessons. As a result, learner can master the lesson and enrich their storehouse of the knowledge. BP2 by contrast studying on the digital platform also have its benefit. Learner can be more active in learning. They can study anymore and anytime what they want. Moreover, there is a multitude of the courses on the internet. Therefore, learners can repeat the lesson to get to know more about it, or they can contact online teachers or through the educational platform for more detail with one just click. For instance, students no need to move from the house to school anymore. At a new age, they just need to open their technological devices to attend the online classes through the some application used for learning. Hence, online studying is no longer cumbersome but also more convenient. Some colleges even use this technique to teach in the cases when the school must be closed. In conclusion, learning on the internet and participating in the study rooms in the school are equally good and effective for students. Even so, I believe that online education will be useful and become the best choice for the people whose house is far from the school or unable to move out of their place of the residence. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like it and subscribe it.